Hey, Berber. Would you like a walnut? Would you like a walnut? Back up. Back up. Back. Back, 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 back. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got it open. Good job. I'm going to take this empty piece, okay? Yeah, I'm going to take the empty piece so you don't throw it on the floor. Like you like to do. Silly boy. Is that a good walnut? Yeah. Is that tasty? Is that a tasty walnut? Alright, Berber. Say bye. Say bye. Warren, I love you all. Be kind to yourselves and others. Go learn some cool shit. Make the world a better place. We love you. Thanks for watching. See ya.